We're bringing you a brand new series on WALB called Getting Answers, where we highlight issues and solutions in South Georgia.
Now, we hear a lot about mental health issues, but many companies and institutions still struggle on how to deal with it. WALB News 10's Sydney Rainwater is putting the spotlight on a South Georgia college town that got it right.
It's no secret that mental health care access can be a struggle in rural areas like Southwest Georgia. Across the Peach State, there are only about 2 mental health care providers for every 1,000 people. That puts us in 48th place for professional mental health care access. So, how do we solve this? The Counseling Services Director at Georgia Southwestern State University says it's no question.
While Americus may not have all the licensed professionals that we would prefer, one of the strengths is that we have the community and the relationships, which fosters healing and growth in mental health.
Kerminga says an example of this came after GSW had a scare on campus. On April 23rd, a man carried a rifle through a GSW courtyard, prompting a lockdown. That was just 6 days after there was a shooting on Florida State University's campus in Tallahassee.
Instead of panicking, GSW counselors went straight to the students to ask what they needed to get through this shakeup. Kerminga says that kind of rapport between staff and students is special. The students requested a snack break, so Kerminga rallied the other counselors and even her dog Max to support the GSW community. But this sense of community isn't exclusive to campus. Americus Mayor Lee Kinnaman says it's felt throughout the area.
We may not have the perfect solution. We may not have the perfect resource. What we do have is a good community. It's not perfect, but it's a really good community. What we do have are good people here who care.
While the Americus community's togetherness makes strides to combat mental health struggles, that effort doesn't just erase them. If you or someone you know is struggling, dial 988 for crisis help, or you can visit WALB.com for a list of resources in South Georgia. Reporting in Americus, this is Sydney Rainwater for WALB, your hometown news source.